Alright, hello there informed beauties. How y'all doing? Your girl EuniyceMari here, and today we're going to be doing another Derma E product review. I am so excited. You guys know that I love Derma E. Is one of my favorite brands for my skincare, and these products were sent to me. They do send me things in the mail every month or so, and so I'm really excited to share this product with you guys, because if you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen the post, so you know what this is. And it was a little personal too, so that's why I really like this really stood out to me, because I was like, oh, that's kind of cute. But I'm gonna show you guys that in a minute. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and take a moment to subscribe, turn on the post notifications so you know when I upload. I do upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday around 3 p.m. or 4 p.m. but mostly 3 p.m. Sometimes I push it to 4, but mostly 3 p.m. Pacific time, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Make sure you guys subscribe. Now, if you have missed any of my previous Derma E videos, I will link some above in the cards as well as down below in the description box. I have plenty of product reviews on their acne system, their overnight pill, their moisturizers, their serums, so many. So you can go and check those out. Receive this bad boy in the mail. We're gonna go ahead and jump into like these little samples that I got first before we get into like the main product that we're going to be trying today. So they sent me these little samples. They sent the Vitamin C Instant Radiant Citrus Facial Peel. I actually ran out of this. I had a full jar of it and I used it all up. I love the Radiant Facial Peel. I got 2 samples. I definitely need to get my hands on another one, but I'm so glad they sent these because I can go ahead and use this in the meantime. But I need to get myself to Ulta because I need to like restock on a lot of my Derma E products, and I will leave a list down below of my favorite Derma E products. Mainly all of the products that I've talked about here on the channel are like my favorites, but I will list down below my favorites, like the ones I use very consistently, so you guys can be like know what I use. And then I didn't even know that they had these. I don't know if these are more newer or if they just been around, but I never like came across them. But this one is the Derma E Purifying 2-in-1 Charcoal Mask, and I can't wait to try this one. I will try this one in a later video and I will share with you guys how this one works for me. It does look very familiar. I wonder if I have tried this like years ago, because it looks very familiar, like I came across it, but we're gonna try it either way. And then the last sample that they gave me was the Vitamin C Brightening Bentonite Clay Mask with Turmeric. Y'all know I love me some bentonite clay mask, okay? And vitamin C is a great extra addition to that. So I cannot wait to try these out. And I need to see if these are newer because I haven't seen these before. So I don't know if it's just me looking like I haven't, you know, paid attention, didn't see them, or what. But I can't wait to actually review the mask. Now, I will be doing a full separate review on those masks, so stay tuned for that. So let's jump into the product. So this here is the Derma E Hydrating Mist with Hyaluronic Acid, Rose Water, and Coconut Water. All right. I was so excited when I saw this. I was like, oh, you guys know I love me some rose water. And I haven't really played around too much with coconut water. I can't wait to try this and see if that works for me. So you guys do know that I like Derma E because they are GMO free, they're cruelty free, they're vegan, they're gluten free, they're soy free, all of that. So this has no parabens, no formaldehyde, no petroleum, no sulfates, no artificial colors, no artificial fragrances. It's clean beauty, and I love that. I stand behind clean beauty. So what this product says that it's to do is that it is an instant burst of hydration. This refreshing mist instantly cools and hydrates thirsty skin anywhere on the face and the body. And I like the fact for the body because usually a lot of times, you know, your neck or your chest area can get a little dry, and I feel like it's good to have a little mister for that area as well. The unique combination of rose water and coconut water with hyaluronic acid restores skin moisturized levels with beneficial botanicals and nutrients for a vibrant, dewy complexion. And then it says a top tip is to carry or use throughout the day for instant hydration. Now, you guys do know I am an oily prone girl. So hydration mist I don't grab for really as often, but I like to have one at least in my rotation because I do notice sometimes during certain times of the years or just randomly, I'll have dry patchy skin. I don't know what it is. It mainly happens more so around this area of my face. I'll just get like patchy skin. Don't know. And usually I will exfoliate the area and I will still have that. I get like little dry patches. So I do think having a hydration mix for me, or a hydrating mist for me, is pretty cool because, you know, I never know when I'm gonna need it. And it's just great to always have a little bit of a refresher. So what made this really stand out to me, and I thought this was so cool, okay, it made me feel really like I had like a Derma E product out on the shelves, is that it's personalized. So if you can see, my name, Eunice, is on the bottle. And when I saw that, it just really warmed my heart. And I was like, ooh, what if I had a product with Derma E? I would love to create a product with Derma E. I'm just saying, I would love to. So I'm like, Derma E, hey. I would love to create a product with Derma E. That would be amazing, especially something acne related, because you guys know I suffer from acne, oily skin, and I'm always talking about acne, you know, solutions and things. So I would love, if I could partner with Derma E on a product, that would be a dream come true. Really speak it into existence, right? So I thought the little touch of having my name on the bottle was really, really great, and it just warmed my heart. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna try this out. So how you would use this is that you would shake gently before using, close your eyes and lightly mist your face, neck, or wherever skin is dry. Spray over makeup to set. Okay, I don't see myself using this as a spray for setting my makeup because I don't want my makeup to be dewy. I like my makeup to be more matte because I am oily, so I don't see myself using it makeup wise, but more so for my skin. Maybe in the colder weathers I can try it out to see if that works, but like right now it's not too cold, so I won't use it now for that. So what we would do is that you would close your face and you would mist your you would close your eyes and mist your face. So let's do it. I'm gonna mist my chest too and my neck. Ooh. Smells great. I love the smell of it. Very refreshing, very cooling. It smells like coconut water. Like, it smells amazing. Okay. It does give you a nice little dewy glow. I can also see by my chest. It does give me a nice dewy glow. And it's very lightweight. Very lightweight. It feels really refreshing, of course, and it smells really good. Like, it doesn't smell perfumey. It smells like coconut water. Like, you can definitely smell the rose water and the coconut water, like that mix. It smells amazing. Now, the way that the mist comes out, it's not super fine. I would say it's a little bit more. There are some pieces that are fine, but there are there are droplets that are fine, but there are droplets that are also a little bit bigger. So the spray on this is not a really even mist of a spray, and that it doesn't really make a big difference to me, but some people like that even spray where it has to be like an even mist, like where it's just fine all the way. I'm not really somebody who's really like hardcore with that, but it's a mist. It's a mist, but it has like chunkier little droplets. It's not an even fine mist. It has like, I can feel the different types of like mist on the face, if you get what I'm saying. But yeah, I like this product. My skin feels really good. Look at like my skin, you guys, glowing. Okay, glowing. I've been really on my skin regimens, and my acne has been acting up a little bit more than normal, so I have been trying to really keep that under control and just really take care of my raw skin. But yeah, once again, I like this product. You know, Derma E is a product that constantly continues to get my approval. It's really hard for me to find a product that I try throughout different lines of a product and I'm like, oh, I like that, oh, I like that, oh, I like that, oh, I like that. Like I can have a line and I'll like one item from that line. But Derma E, I like all their products. Like it's crazy. I think there was only one product I didn't like. I don't think, oh, I did talk about it here. There was only one product that I didn't like on Derma E, but in general, like Derma E always gets my approval. And so if you're especially somebody who suffers from dry skin, I definitely say give this mist a try. I will definitely put the link and everything down below and all information. But yeah, that's my review on the Derma E Hydrating Mist. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is your girl EuniyceMari. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will see you in a later video. Bye.